Dear investors, May 2021 was a tough month for our economy. The entire country was in different sorts of lockdown, hampering businesses across the board. It was a gloom and doom scenario when new COVID cases touched a peak of over 4 lakhs per day in the month of May. Given the lockdowns, things have started improving over the last 2 weeks, and thankfully the cases have now reduced to about 1.5 lakhs per day. More importantly, the test positivity ratio has also started trending down from about 25% levels at the beginning of this month to about 9% recently. While we are still recovering, medical experts have already started talking about the third and the fourth wave hitting our country over the next 6 to 9 months. And unfortunately, historical experience suggests lockdown is perhaps the only way to contain the virus. In such a scenario, the economy would continue to be in a start and a stop scenario over the next 6 to 9 months, and businesses will continue to face disruption. In this backdrop, the million-dollar question is, how should investors approach investing? To our minds, the answer is twofold. A, by taking a long-term view at investing, and secondly, investing in companies which will not only survive this crisis, but in fact would emerge stronger post the crisis. In this backdrop, I would like to highlight one of our investee companies from our Alpha Blue Chip portfolio. The company is TCI Express. TCI Express happens to be one of the leading companies in the express logistics space. Despite being a COVID year, despite being a logistic company, TCI Express grew its profitability by 13.5% in financial year 2021. Apart from COVID, TCI Express had several other challenges, one of which was increasing diesel price. Diesel price is one of the prime costs for a transportation company. Despite that, given the strong business mode that the company enjoys, it could take consistent price hikes from its customers and maintain its profitability. While smaller logistic companies are finding it difficult to survive the crisis, TCI Express is well set to gain market share and emerge stronger from the crisis. TCI Express already has industry-leading branch network across the country and has further expansion plans to grow the same over the next 2 to 3 years. The stock is up 62% over the last 1 month. And given the robust expansion plans that the company has for the next 2 to 3 years, we believe the stock is well set to generate superior value appreciation for investors over the next 2 to 3 years. In the Alpha Blue Chip portfolio, our aim is to invest into high quality growth companies which have strong business moat and formidable competitive edge. The portfolio is supposed to have low mortality ratio. These companies, given their inherent strength, are likely to survive the crisis better than their peers and are well set to gain market share from their peers. We remain very confident on the earnings growth of these portfolio companies over the next 2 to 3 years. To conclude, we are in tough times, but these times won't last forever. Until then, please do take good care of yourself and your near and dear ones. Best wishes from Renaissance Investments.